Hey everyone, I'm Frank from UPDF. Today we're going to take a look at a problem that many users have when it comes to PDFs. You open a PDF and read everything, but find out that the printing is blocked. That means the file's protected with a permission password that stops printing. UPDF helps you print a secure PDF when you're authorized to use the file. So click on the link in the description below to download UPDF so you can follow along. UPDF Desktop helps you open protected files, enter the correct password, and then send pages to your printer on a Windows or a Mac. There are two methods that you'll see next. First, open UPDF on your desktop and press the Open File option and choose the secure PDF that you'd like to print. Next, go to the drop-down arrow next to the Save option and press the Print button. Here, you'll need to enter the permissions password and press the Unlock button to open the print interface. After that, select the printer from the top and set the paper size. Next, print the appropriate orientation and select the page range to print. Lastly, press the Print button and print your PDF pages. Mac users may see a different print interface than Windows users, but the steps are essentially the same. Simply follow the instructions we just covered. UPDF also lets you remove the permission lock, so future printing and editing will stay smooth and uninterrupted. So let's take a look at the steps on how we can do that in order to remove the permissions so that your printing is easier in the future. Once you open a protected PDF in UPDF, access the drop-down menu and press the Remove Password option. Here, it will require the password for the permission. Enter the password and click the Unlock button. Next, choose a location to save the unlocked PDF. After that, UPDF will automatically open the unlocked PDF. Access the print feature and repeat the same steps that we performed earlier in order to print the PDF. With UPDF Mobile, you can unlock the file with the correct password and then access it wherever you are. Once it's open, you can send it to a nearby printer using the built-in share or print menu in iOS or Android. On your iOS or Android device, open UPDF and tap on the plus icon. Next, you'll need to press the Files option and select the locked PDF. After that, use the Open password in order to open the PDF. After opening the locked PDF, press the three dots icon in the top right corner and tap on the Print option. Next, choose the printer and select the page range and the page size. After that, you need to choose a layout and tap on the Print option here. This way you can print a secure PDF directly from your mobile device. You can also share the PDF by pressing the Share button. When you handle many secured PDFs every day, you can use aJoysoft PDF password remover to remove restrictions in bulk and prepare files for printing. So let's take a look at the steps of how we do that. First, access the aJoysoft official site and press the Try It Free button to download it for free. Now install it onto your PC. Once the tool is successfully installed, open aJoysoft and press the Add Files button to import the restricted PDF into the tool. Once the locked PDF opens, click the Remove Password button, then select the location to save the new unlocked PDF. This way, aJoysoft will save an unrestricted copy of the PDF that you can print by using UPDF. On the UPDF's homepage, click the Tools option and press the Print option under the Batch Process section. Then click the Add Files button and import the PDF files. Then press the Print button to access the PDF printing interface. After that, you need to repeat the same steps as before to print multiple PDFs as a single document. You do not have to buy aJoysoft as a separate purchase. When you purchase or upgrade to UPDF Pro using your registered UPDF account email, You can unlock lifetime access to aJoysoft by sending an email to support@superace.com from that address. They will then send you a redemption code that you can apply to activate this tool. To get this tool, you must have one of the plans from UPDF: Pro Annual, UPDF Pro Lifetime, UPDF Pro Annual plus AI Bundle, or UPDF Pro Lifetime plus AI Bundle. To check pricing for these plans, visit our official pricing page or click the link in the description below. That wraps it up for our walkthrough on how UPDF helps you print secured PDFs when you already have the password or permission to do so. Download UPDF from the link in the description and try it on a PDF you own or are authorized to print. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a future PDF tutorial.